A defense witness in the Robert Blake case who says her life is in danger just got some legal cover. The so-called bombshell witness set to testify at Blake's murder trial about a conversation she overheard between Ronald Duffy Hamilton and Christian Brando, one where Brando allegedly said of Bonny Bakley, "Someone ought to put a bullet through that bitch's head." Well, joining us from Los Angeles, Bruce Robertson, you're an investigator. How would you go about trying to confirm, trying to corroborate Diane Matson's claim about Christian Brando?
Well, first of all, it is already corroborated by evidence that's already been admitted into the preliminary hearing, and that is a tape conversation, I understand, that in which Brando also said on another occasion that something to the effect that she would be better off with the bullet in her head. So that immediately goes to corroborate that. Of course, you'll want to look into the background of Matson, find out what her relationship to Brando is, or if she has any involvement with any of the other people in the case. And of course, you'll also want to do further investigation in regard to Corrales. She had a propensity for doing this before. Did she have a reason for being in that supermarket? Was she actually stalking? These are issues that will all have to be investigated to determine whether or not this is a credible piece of evidence.
The defense filed a motion to dismiss.
Robert Blake had to have been in a bubble, either that or he didn't pull the trigger.
Bruce, let me ask you a question. Can you put plastic or something else between you and a gun and pull the trigger so that you've got something to toss rather than having it all over yourself?
Well, it's possible, but given the nature of that particular gun, a good point is raised. And it'll be, again, a battle of experts when you get down to that issue in the court.
All right, well, another fascinating forensics case. Brian Oxman, Bruce Robertson, John Q. Kelly, thank you all.